We have a textured ponytail look. What I love about this is that your hair still looks elegant, but it's out of your face, so you look good and you feel good all night long. So the first things first is you want to add some texture to the hair, curl it however you want. Make sure you put some hairspray in there, and then you're just going to twist the hair. And once you have it twisted, you'll pull that hair to make it fuller and thicker. Same thing. So I kind of split the hair down the middle. I did one on the left side, one twisted on the right side, and I went back again on the left side and did another piece framing the face, and then you can see that I did it on the right side as well. So I have 4 pieces that I twisted. Go ahead and pull that hair into a ponytail. You can use whatever you want to do this, and then once you have that nice and secure and tight, what you're going to do is add a little bit of volume to that ponytail. So you can back comb or tease. You can use whatever comb that you want, and if your hair has a hard time holding, put a little bit of hairspray or teasing powder in there. Then what I did is I took this section I left out on the left hand side, a face framing section, and I'm wrapping it around that ponytail to hide it. And so I'm going to show you what I did on this side. So you take that piece, that face framing piece, you're going to twist it, pull it just like we did on the top. Make sure you got a little bit of hairspray in there, and you're going to wrap it around that ponytail again. And that's it, you guys. It's super, super simple. So take some twist your hair, pull it out to give it some volume, pull it into a ponytail, and then hide that ponytail. I hope I've inspired you to try something new, either on yourself or your clients. If you do it, go ahead and give me a shout out and tag me. I'd love to see your beautiful work.